myself Riya.
And myself Nishant, and we welcome you in today's segment of CG Mashup.
आज के सेगमेंट की शुरुआत करते हैं आज की कुछ खास बातों से.
चल रिया, एक एक्टर की मिमिक्री करता हूँ.
अच्छा,
गेस कर कौन है.
ठीक है.
ओ तेरी गड़बड़ हो गई यार. नहीं चलेगा. बता.
ये मिमिक्री थी. मिमिक्री की इंसल्ट.
अरे ठीक है ना, इंसल्ट तो पर पता चल गया ना कौन आदमी है.
हाँ पता तो चल गया, आमिर खान था.
आमिर खान है ना. तो बस आज जन्मदिन है उसका. ठीक है. ठीक है, चलो बर्थडे विश करते हैं उसे.
ओके.
है ना.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आमिर खान.
Amir Khan is one of the most versatile and influential Bollywood actors. He is an Indian actor, director, producer and television host. His full name is Mohammad Amir Hussain Khan and stage name is Amir Khan. He was born in March 14, 1965 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India to Tahir Hussain and Zeenat Hussain. He has one of the huge fan followings in the world, especially in India, China and Hong Kong. He is undoubtedly the biggest superstar of this generation, with the overseas cinema success of PK, Dangal and Secret Superstars, all three which were all well received in China.
अरे है
तो बोलना.
अरे वो मैं देख रही थी, तुम मुझे 2 मिनट भी नहीं चल पाए. तुम सोचो अगर अब फिल्म में विदाउट साउंड हो तो.
ऐसे नहीं होता है, म्यूजिक भी होता है अच्छा खासा.
अरे यार पहले होती थी विदाउट साउंड मूवीज, पता है. और आज ही के दिन साउंड वाली फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी.
कौन सी?
आलम आरा. पता नहीं है तुम्हें?
The first sound film of Indian Alam Ara was released on 14 March 1931. It was directed by Adrisher Irani. The film was so popular that they actually had to get police to control crowd along the theatre. The film actually ran houseful for more than 8 weeks on its release. Sadly, there are no more known copies of the movies that have survived. Now let's have a look on today's Twitter trending. Hashtag ₹3. Excise duty on petrol, diesel up by ₹3 per litre as oil prices declines. Excise duty on petrol and diesel was on Saturday hiked by ₹3 per litre as the government looked up to mop up gains arising from fall in international oil prices. Special excise duty on petrol was hiked by ₹2 to ₹8 per litre and to ₹4 in case of diesel, an official notification said. Additionally, road fees on petrol was raised by ₹1 per litre each on petrol and diesel to ₹10. और रिया व्हाट्सअप. ये नमस्ते इतना संस्कारी क्यों बन रही तू?
कोरोना वायरस. पता है बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री भी अब कोरोना वायरस को लेके जो प्रिकॉशंस लेना है उसको प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. सो अब से सिर्फ नमस्ते.
Owing to outbreak of coronavirus, actor Priyanka Chopra Jonas has taken to Instagram to suggest people stick to the traditional namaste while greeting others. She added this manner of greeting might be dated, but it fits in the current situation. She also asked people to stay safe. After Anupam Kher and Salman Khan, Priyanka is the third actor to suggest people stay away from handshakes as a precaution against contracting and spreading the disease. The coronavirus health scare is wreaking havoc globally. While enough preventive health measures have been suggested by health experts, the people across the world are in state of panic, but that has certainly not decreased their survival spirit. Filmmaker Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri is one such shining example. The critically acclaimed filmmaker author, who is gearing up to start shooting, is highly anticipated next. The Kashmir Files, an unreported story of the most tragic and a gut-wrenching genocide of Kashmiri Hindus, is making sure that his team will take precautions to ensure the unit's safety before rolling in Delhi's next week.
Let's have a look on global news.
Air India will send a special flight to Milan in Italy today to bring back stranded Indians. The flight will leave this afternoon and bring back the stranded persons tomorrow. Additional Secretary MEA Damu Ravi said around 220 students are in and around Milan and government's priority is to bring them back. 5 fresh cases of novel coronavirus have been reported in the country. These are from Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. With this, total number of COVID-19 cases has gone up to 81. Trump declares national emergency over coronavirus, says next week's crucial. US President Donald Trump declared a national emergency on Friday opening up access to up to $50 billion in federal funds to combat the fast-spreading novel coronavirus that has claimed 41 lives in the country. The deadly virus, which has killed over 5,000 people globally, has spread to 46 of the 50 US states, with nearly 2,000 cases being reported from across the country. It could get worse. The next 8 weeks are critical, Trump told a press conference at the Rose Garden in the White House.
निशान, कैसे हो?
अच्छा हूँ.
अच्छे क्यों?
सब अच्छा चल रहा है तो अच्छा हूँ.
सब अच्छा क्यों चल रहा है?
यार तू बच्चों से क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछे जा रही? तू पागल बच्ची, छोटी बच्ची है? हैं? एक दिन में 100-200 क्वेश्चन बच्चे पूछते हैं. तू है?
Kid ask a lot of questions. Some studies show 4-year-old ask as many as 200 to 300 questions a day. Warren Berger, author of A More Beautiful Question, says kids ask an average of 40,000 questions between the age of 20 and 5.
यार ये फेसबुक में लाइक की जगह ऑसम होता तो कितना अच्छा रहता ना.
मतलब लाइक की जगह ऑसम बटन की बात कर.
हाँ हाँ वही.
हाँ तो ऐसा ही थिंकिंग फेसबुक के इंजीनियर्स को सब बहुत पहले आ चुका था.
अच्छा सही में?
हाँ तो बट कंसीडर नहीं हुआ.
अरे यार.
इट्स अ फैक्ट.
Facebook engineers originally wanted to call the like button the awesome button. It was originally supposed to be an awesome button, but according to Quora, thread created by Facebook engineers Andrew Bosworth, reported on by TechCrunch, Mark Zuckerberg decided that the button should say like instead, which it did when it made its public debut a short while later in February 2009.
So that's all for today. We'll meet up in next segment of CG Mashup. Till then, hum nae, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel
And press the bell icon for more updates.
Thank you.